Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a Glock 17 pistol. So this is a Glock 17 chain 4. Okay, so first of all we have to remove the magazine. Then we want to make sure there's no round in the chamber. Nothing. Okay. Now we want to remove the slide from the receiver like so. Then we remove the recoil spring. Take out the barrel. There you have all the parts on the table. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the firing pin. To do that you need a punch, but a screwdriver can do it as well. Okay, so you have to push the firing pin up a little bit, so it will reveal a plastic part over here. You see, that's the sleeve of the firing pin sleeve. Okay, what I want to do is to press this down, the sleeve down, and then with the finger you remove the slide cover like so. Okay, and you can remove the firing pin assembly. Now this is the complete assembly with the spring and the firing pin and so on, and the sleeve, just the black thing over there. So I want to remove the firing pin for cleaning, so I put it this way. Okay, now I'm going to press on the spring to remove the tension, and here you have two cups, plastic cups. Remove the cups, make sure you don't lose them. So here they are. See? Remove the spring. Take out the firing pin and the sleeve. It's the sleeve out, and here's your firing pin. Okay? Now to put it back again, slide it on the sleeve. Put that here. Take the spring and be careful to put back the cups one at a time. So first cup here. Oops, okay. That's easy to do while taking the video. So I have one in place, so I take the second one. Okay, oops, don't like the sound. I think it's in. I'm gonna take it out. There you are. The cuffs are well in place. Okay. Put the assembly, the firing pin assembly black into the slide. hold the firing assembly down with your thumb. And install the base plate or the receiver base plate, like so. And now you need the screwdriver again, because there's that pin here, which is the extractor pin. It's spring loaded, so be careful. So you push it in, and push the base in place. Snap in like this, right? Put the barrel back into the slide. Then call spring. All right. And put the slide in the receiver. And check the functioning of the pistol. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.